Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V50e and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. Then let's tap on this wallpaper section, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose the wallpaper from, from different albums. Here we've got kinetic wallpapers, live wallpapers and static wallpapers. All of them are pre-installed. What is more, in the right upper corner we can tap on this picture icon and we will be transferred to our own photos, and we of course can set them as a wallpaper. Moreover, if you've got the internet connection and you will log in into the account, you can tap on download more, and here you've got some online wallpapers which you can download. They are free of charge. So let me choose this wallpaper, and now all you have to do is to simply tap on apply. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, both, or crop wallpaper. I will simply tap on both. And as you can see, we've got this information, so we can go back and check. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been played successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.